In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate sweet at home with things you can easily get. See, it's good that you always make all those things for yourself. If you have children that like sweets, that you give sweet, make all these things for yourself. At least you know what you are giving to your children, and you yourself, you know what you are taking. So watch this video till the end to learn how to make this sweet. And the good part of this sweet is it has a chewable inside, and the outside is so candy, and the inside is chewable, as you can see while I'm dissecting it. So let's go. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Do you know you can make your sweet at home, like chocolate sweet at home, homemade chocolate sweet at home? Just take a look at this. So in this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how you can make your homemade sweets. Let's have a taste of it. I'm going with this one. Let me show you something. This tastes amazing. This tastes amazing. I'll show you what the video to the end and learn how to make this sweet, chocolate sweet for yourself at home. Watch to the end. Let's go straight to the business. In an empty pot, add in half cup of sweetened condensed milk, add in 2 tablespoons of coffee powder, stir on a low heat until they are well incorporated. And to it, add 1 tablespoon of salted butter. Keep stirring on a low heat until it starts forming. At this point, it's coming together, and at this point, it's well formed, so it's ready to be taken off from the heat. Take it off from the heat and transfer to a baking sheet. Put back the heated pot on the heat, and then add in 1 cup of sugar. Heat on a low heat until it's well melted. Add in 2 tablespoons of salted butter and stir until it dissolves and well mixed. Then add in half cup of fresh cream. Keep stirring on a low heat until the consistency turns this way. For you to know that it's well formed, get in a glass of cold water, then drop in some drop of the mixture into it. Allow it to stay for a while, then take it out and check if it is well formed this way. That means the mixture is ready to be taken off from the heat. Turn off the heat and then transfer it into a baking sheet that is lying on a baking pan. Spread it until it touches the end. It mustn't cover all the baking pan. Just spread it to get a rectangular shape. Of course, it should be like this, the weight. Set it aside to cool down. Now it's well cooled, so it's ready for the next stage. We transfer to our kneading board. So this is my kneading mat. I will cut off the excess baking sheets, and then this is the first mixture, that's the chewable part. So I will mold it to form a straight form, like I'm doing like this on the video. So I will mold it to form this way. So at this point, if you've watched this point, that means you're liking the video. Kindly like. The more you like this video, the more the YouTube is showing it to more people. Share this video to reach to more people, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell button. You get my notification when I drop a new video. So when I'm done rolling it out, then I'm set for the next stage. So for the second mixture, I'm going to measure in like 1 inch and place the chewable part at the middle of the 1 inch. I will use my scissors to cut off the 1 inch from the remaining parts. Then I will gently fold it in like the way I'm doing it now. So guys, if you have watched this point, kindly like. The more you like my video, the more YouTube be showing it to more people. Share this video to your friends, your family on your WhatsApp. It's free, so it will reach to more people. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button so that you get my notification when I drop a new video. So after folding it in, I will go on to roll it on the mat. You can roll it on the mat to form together, or you can roll it with your hands just to form a round smooth shape. So after rolling it like this, I'll use my knife to cut it to the size I want. You can cut it bigger, you can cut it smaller, just cut it to the size you want it. So after cutting it, I will just go in to fill up the edge. You can roll it on the mat to get more circle shape and even shape. So after that, I'll be rolling it in. This is a baking sheet that I cut to this size. You can cut it bigger if you cut your sweets bigger. You can cut it smaller if you cut your sweets smaller. So this is a baking sheet that I cut to this shape. So you don't need to stress yourself. You can use your baking sheet to do this. So at this point, this is kind of bigger, so I have to make it get a more smoother round shape. So I rub it on my kneading map to get a smoother shape, and then I fold in the 2 edges, then wrap it up with my sweet wrap. Yes. So I will do this to the rest of the sweets. Just enjoy the view. So guys, kindly like this video. The more you like it, the more YouTube show it to more people. Share this video to your friends, your family on your WhatsApp. See, it's good you make this sweet yourself. It's good that you know what your kids are licking. It's good that you know what you yourself what you are licking. Of course, you know this recipe is just, we use just milk, condensed milk, fresh milk, sugar and butter for this recipe. And then this is what you can easily get in your kitchen, so you don't need to break your bank account. You don't need to stress yourself. Just you can get all these ingredients in your kitchen, and you are sure of what you are using to make this sweet. That's the better part of this video or this recipe. It's easier to make. You can make it in your kitchen, and the things you use to make it, you can easily get it in your kitchen. So guys, kindly make this and limit the things you buy and give to your children. You don't know how they produce it, so make this for yourself, make it for your children and enjoy. So let me know at the comment section, what video would you want me to drop next? What recipe would you want me to drop next? What recipe would you want to see to watch from my channel? Like I say, if you can't if you're unable to knead it on the kneading mat or on your work surface, you can use your hands to roll it. Just roll it on your hands to form a smoother round shape. Alright guys, kindly like this video. The more you like it, the more it reaches to more people. YouTube show it to more people. The more you share this video, the more you share it, the more it reaches more people. Subscribe to my channel. By so doing, you are encouraging me to drop more video, and then turn on the bell button so that you will always get my notifications when I drop new videos. Yes, just fold it. Then when you want to roll it, you can roll together with the baking sheet. or you can roll on the mat rather. You can roll with the baking sheet, or you can roll on the mat. The one that you find easier, do it. But to me, I think rolling it with the baking sheet was more easier for me than rolling it on the mat. So you can choose the one you want. I know you are enjoying this video, and I know you like this recipe. Please like this video so that it will reach more people. Share this video so I get some more people. Share to your WhatsApp, share to your page, share to your family. It's free. I'm not charging for it. It's just free. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button so that you get my notification when I drop a new video. So guys, let me know in the comment section which recipe would you want me to drop next. Yeah, let's grow this channel together. To my subscribers, I love you so much. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for always tuning into my channel. Thanks for always watching my channel, my videos. Thanks for supporting me, for liking and for commenting. And to my intended subscribers, I love you so much. I can't wait to have you in my community. Welcome, feel free. This is a fun place to be. There is a lot to learn. There is a lot to learn. There is a lot to learn. So feel free to subscribe. Feel free to share this video. So at this point, we are done rolling up, and this is what we come. Tell me guys, do you like this video? Thanks for watching. And I love you all. See you in my next video. Do take care of yourself and